Hello, Unity community. I want to personally invite you into a conversation that is both deeply human and profoundly transformative. This talk, Opening to Give and Receive the Path to True Abundance, is an invitation to remember that abundance is not something that we chase, but it's something that we allow. It lives in our relationships, in our capacity to give and receive love, support, and life itself. Together, we will explore the energies of giving and receiving and how it shapes our experience with money, with connection, and the way we move in the world. And more importantly, how we begin to soften the places where we've closed and to gently open again. If ever you have felt like you're doing all the right things, but something still feels just out of reach, this space is for you. I'd love for you to join me this Sunday at the Unity community.